Hi, and in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to insert an SD card into your iPhone Air. So unfortunately, the iPhone does not have the SD card slot. It actually doesn't even have a SIM card slot. But you can still use an SD card by plugging it in via an adapter. I have an adapter like this. You can have a different one. What's important is that I can connect it via USB-C and that it has the SD card slot, which is right here. I have a micro SD card and I'll need to put it in just like that. And now put the adapter into the iPhone. Now, when I go to Files and go to Browse, I'll see my card. It's named Android, but it doesn't matter. It's my SD card. You can see I have some recordings here. I have some stuff. And if I want, I can press and hold on it. And, for example, rename it. Okay, that's not what I meant. I can press and hold and get info about it. And I can also press and hold and erase it. For example, like that. Then I can go into that and record stuff on it. I can put some stuff, I can transfer files from my iPhone, for example. Let's get here and let's try to transfer anything like this photo, for example. Let's press and hold, then move and select the SD card, then click on copy, and it is copied. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.